Hello, grade 2, and welcome to our math lesson for today. This week, we are going to be starting a new math unit. It is called Multiplication, Division, and Fractions. I know, it sounds really hard, or maybe some of you are very excited. I'm going to be using a different video, or I am using a different video program to make this video today so that I can show you some of the things we will be learning along the way in this unit and to show you how we are going to get started. So bear with me if there are a few bumps along the way in the recording of this video. I'm going to share my screen with you so that you will have an idea of what's coming in our lesson. Go ahead to pause this video so that you can get to your Math Makes Sense book. You will need to have your Math Makes Sense book, and just as the screen is showing, you will be needing to turn to page 235 to get started. So go ahead, pause the movie, and come back when you are ready. Okay, here we go. I would like you to look at the picture on page 235 and look to see if you can find the glasses. Can you find the glasses in the picture? How many pairs of glasses can you see? Oh, wait. I would like you to count by ones. How many glasses, how many pairs of glasses can you find in the picture? Okay, yes, you did. You counted by ones. How many did you find out? 10. That's right. How else could we count how many pairs of glasses there are? That's right. We could skip count by twos. Now let's do it again. Let's count those glasses again. This time we'll count together. Count. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That's right. We can skip count by twos and get 10. How else could we skip count the glasses? All right. Okay, let's skip count by fives. All right. Here's one row of 5. That's 5. A second row of 5 is 10. There are 10 pairs of glasses. No matter how you count them, you're always going to get the same number, unless you add some more to this mess of a dress-up box. Now, let's keep on going. Multiplication is what we're going to be focusing on today. Multiplication is a big word, and it's also a big idea in math. It helps us to count collections in a quick way. Multiplication sounds really scary to some of you, but don't worry. You've already been doing it a lot this year without even knowing. Let me go to the next page and you will find out. Skip counting. Every time you skip count, you are doing a form of multiplication. We can think of multiplication as skip counting. All right, let's try it out. 2, 4, 6, 8. That's skip counting and multiplying by twos. Next page. Repeated addition. Let's think of that. Repeat. When I repeat myself, when I repeat myself, when I repeat myself. Don't worry, your video is not broken. I was just making a point. Repeat means to say the same thing over again. Repeat means to do the same thing over again. So, what does repeated addition mean? Repeated addition means to add the same number over and over again, or same number by a certain number of times. Times. Okay, so we have 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. How many 2's do you see there? That's right, 4. We counted 2, 4, 6, 8 in the first skip counting practice. Now we're adding 2 4s. We're adding 4 2s. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 8. We ended up with the same number. All right. What else does multiplication mean? Or what else can you think of when you think of multiplication? Whoa. Okay, we've got a couple ideas here. Ooh, times. Have you heard of the times tables? Some of you have been practicing the times tables by looking at your planner pages. At the beginning of your planner page, you will find a chart that is helpful for multiplication. Some of you were showing me that earlier this year. Times. Or you can think of multiplication in a similar way when you think of groups of Now look at the cloud between those two ideas and you can think of the same thing. 2 times 4, or 4 groups of 2 is 8. Did you follow all that? I went really fast, but multiplication doesn't have to be a scary thing. Multiplication is skip counting, it's repeated addition, and it's thinking of groups of the same number. Different ways of counting the same number. Today's page is going to help you to practice this idea of skip counting and repeated addition. The first activity that you will need to do is on page 235. You will need to get some colors. Choose one color. They've given it a suggestion of red. Choose one color to shade every second number red. What is the skip counting pattern? They're asking, what are you counting by? If you're counting every second number, what are you counting by? Okay, if you think you know what the answer is, write it down on page 235. Then it says, shade every fifth number blue. What is the skip counting pattern? Counting or count by what? If you're shading every fifth number blue, what are you skip counting by? You got it. Write it down on that line. If you don't have that number, if you didn't figure it out, ask your parents. They can help you, or ask an older brother or sister. So those are today's pages, and I hope that you will be able to chase away those fears if you have them about multiplication. You are going to rock this unit. You're going to do great, and I'm going to help you as much as I can from my home. Have a great day.